How to build a newsletter for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can build your very own newsletter. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now the platform that we're going to be using is called Beehive, and over here as you can see this is how it looks like, and it is absolutely free as well. There is a pricing plan which we will get to later on at the end of the video. So for now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and sign up on Beehive and get started. So to sign up, all you have to do is click on Get Started button right here, and it's going to take you over to the plan. And then over here, we're going to click on the free option and we're going to sign up. So to sign up, we just simply enter in our first name, our last name, email address, and password, or we can continue with Google. It depends on you. So I'm going to continue with Google. And then you just simply enter in your phone number to verify, and you should be good to go. And once you've entered in your verification number, then all you have to do is just select what is your experience level. And so over here, since we are beginner, so we're going to select I am a beginner and click on continue. You can skip this as well if you want, but now we just simply enter in our logo, our subdomain name over here, our newsletter name, and our newsletter topic. So over here you can add up to 3 tags, so we have all these different options as well. So let's go ahead and add gaming, and we add entertainment, and we have news, so gaming news, whatever you want to call it. So we select news. I think that looks good, and we're going to also change the name because it's a bit long. And you can also enter in your newsletter logo right here. All right, so once that's done, all you have to do is click on continue. And now we select how do you hear about us. So we can go ahead and select whichever option you want. But yeah, I'm just simply going to select YouTube and click on continue. And are you publishing a newsletter on your own, or are you publishing it on someone's behalf? So we'll just say sole creator and click on continue. And over here we'll select the hobby, and yeah. So here we go. So this is how it looks like. This gets started with launch, or you can start the trial as well. So we're going to select this one and click on continue. And this is how it looks like. So over here, this is going to be a dashboard. Here you're going to see all of your audience, all of your analytics. So here you will have active subscribers, open rate, click rate. Down below, if you have your subscriber list, you can go ahead and import your list if you want to. You can upload the CSV file and you should be good to go. So you click on it, you can go ahead and it'll take you to the publication section and you are good to go. So on the left hand side, you will have your main options such as post, audience, grow, monetization, design, and analyze. And over here, you can go ahead and start writing. And this is going to be your dashboard, of course. And down below, you will see all of the options. On the right hand side, you will see you have a get started with list. So you can start a guide, tip, tutorial over here, customize the website, customize the team, and get your first subscriber and write your first draft. So let's go ahead and complete the steps. So first we're going to start the guide tip tutorial. We'll do that, and there we go. It's done. And now we can go ahead and customize our website. We click over there, and now we have our main option. So here we have our logos and identity. We have the global colors, the typography, the radius shadows and navigation and subscriber widget and post tab. First things first, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and upload your logo. So we're going to click over there. We already did that in the beginning. So next is global color. So we're going to choose the color. I think black and white looks good. It fits with our logo, but if you want to go ahead and change it, you can change it to whatever color you want. Over here, as you can see, we have different colors. And then we have the typography. We'll leave it at that. If you want to change, you can go ahead and change it. So mostly I like the Poppins font, so we're going to select that. Same with the other ones as well. We're going to select that. If you want to have different fonts for different sections, so you can go ahead and use different ones. But for me, I'm just simply going to select Poppins. There we go. I'm going to change that to that. And then we have the radius and shadow. So here we have border. So if you go with SMG or non, see how it looks like. I don't know what this is about. I believe this is for the post that you will add, but I think we'll add that later. Then we have the global navigation section. So if we do that, over here we have the template option. We can go with the secondary template. This is template number 1. This is template number 2. I don't know whether or not they're different. So right here, if we go with template number 1, it'll move it right here. If we go with template number 2, it slightly moves, I believe, or doesn't move, or something else moves. If we go with template number 3, nothing. And then if we go with 4, it's gonna, I believe, move the logo right here at the center. And if you have more options, it will change it to whatever option you want. But yeah, So this is 5. So depends on you, whatever color you want, whatever section you like, you can go ahead and do it. Then you have the primary button option. So right here you have secondary button option. So select whichever one you want. And then we have the subscriber widget. If we click over here, we can see all of our subscriber widgets down below. Currently we have none, so we'll leave it at that. And then you have your post style, what type of post you want to create. So over here you have different options, but I believe you should do this later on. So right here we have the page style, header style. So over here we selected default. If you want, you can click on the news one, or if you want the headliner one. So like this one, it depends on you. I believe the default one looks pretty good. You have your logo right here as well, but if you want, you can go ahead and go with the news one. News one also looks pretty good as well. We have the search bar, we have the archives, we already have the logos at the top, so we don't need another one. So we'll leave it at that. Then we have postcards, so you can go ahead and add a different postcard as well. So we have background fill, insights, and all of that. So let's go ahead and add some post, and we'll come back to this later. But yeah, I think this looks good for now. So now we can go ahead and publish it. We also have layouts as well. So if you click on layouts, you can see the hero section over here where most of the action is going to be, happening. But for now, I think this is for the premium version. So we'll leave it at that. Then we have the settings where we see the pixels, the social media links, and all of that. But this is for the SEO section. So we'll leave it at that. For now, we'll exit. And now we can go ahead and publish the style, and then we can go ahead and exit it. So there we go. Now we can go ahead and customize the theme. But I think this is the overall theme of your newsletter or your post. So this is how it would look like. So you have your heading, then your heading number 2, then you have your introduction right here, and then you have your main options, which I think is pretty cool. I think this looks good. If you want to make some changes, you can do this. So right here we have post border. So if we go ahead and increase this, I don't know where it is changing, but for now I think it looks good. You can go ahead and select the body of the text. If you click on it, you can find more options right here. So here you can change the fonts to whatever fonts you want. So Open Sans looks good. So you can do that. There we go. I think it changed. And you have your spacing and font sizes. I think looks good. You have your links right here. So you can see the color of your links. I think I want to make it a little bit brighter so that people can see those are links. And maybe we change the color to pink. Pink looks much better. Pink looks much better. So we'll leave it at that. And we can also make inlines over here, inline hyperlinks. If we want, you can make it bold. So if you click on bold, they'll be bolden. If you want to make them italic, they'll be italic as well, which I think looks pretty cool. And next we have header text as well. If you click on it, it'll take you to the header option where we can see the font for the headers. So you can basically edit every single part of your website. So I'll leave it all of these to adhere for now, and we'll go back to the options, to the main option. So I think this looks good. So we'll just simply go ahead and save changes. And once you've made it, of course, make sure to save changes. And now we can go back to the dashboard. And now we can go ahead and write our first draft. So if you click over here on to write our first draft, or we click on start writing right here, or we just simply click on this arrow, and you can use a template as well. So over here, once you've selected that, you have to create a template. So here we'll click on new template, add a name over here and start writing it. And then whenever we write something new, we can import this template. And whatever we write, we can use this style of writing to our newer posts. So for now, we don't want to create a template. So we'll just go ahead and start writing. So here, this is how the main section looks like. So you're going to have your title over here, your subtitles, your authors, and of course your guest authors. If you have them, you can go ahead and add them over here. And then you have the display date over as well. So now over here, you can go ahead and start writing. If you want to more options, of course, you just hit this forward bar or forward slash, and you will have these options right here, and you can go ahead and add these options. So you have AI writer. These are some of the premium options, so you won't be available to you, but you have other ones available, such as image, code block, subscriber break, headings, and you have your embedded links right here, and footnotes as well. So let's go ahead and add post over here. So all right, so I've written this right here. We added our title, our subtitle over here, and we can select the author as well. And if we want, we can add guest authors, of course. And now all that's left is to add the, let's say, the date. And now we can go ahead and click on preview, and this is how it would look like. So we have our title over here. We have our embedded code. I added the embedded code right here, but I don't know if it's working. So I had to just go ahead and do that as well. Maybe if I deleted it, and over here, just posted a YouTube link. and here we paste that link. Maybe this will work. Yeah, that looks good. So over here we can add the video for that is, in accordance with what we are writing for our topic that matches it. So now we just add like some content breaks, or some sort of dividers, I would say. So right here I'm going to add another one. That it didn't work. So right here, there we go. Content break. It keeps going up for some reason. I don't understand why, but yeah, we'll leave it at that. Let me go ahead and do it again. So here we'll just paste the link. So I think that looks good. And once that's done, all you have to do is just simply either click on preview. Over here you can preview it. So this is how it looks like. It looks pretty good. And once that's done, just simply click on schedule, or send test, and you are good to go. So then you can publish now and click on preview and publish now, and you are good to go. But we can't publish because we have no active subscribers in the selected audience. But once you have them, you can go ahead and publish your own text. So we'll just leave it at that for now. And yeah, so you can even either go ahead and post it onto your email, or post it onto your website as well. So over here we can say this is the slug. So make sure that the slug is in accordance with the title. So something like that. And make sure there are no spaces between them. Instead of spaces, it's just this bar, or this slash, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, I think that looks good. But yeah, so we'll just leave it at that because it's saved in draft. So yeah, this looks good. So once that's done, you are good to go. So very simple. Make sure to go ahead and add your subscribers as well. So here you will find it. You can import your subscribers, and you have other automation and segment options as well. So very simple. This is how you do it. This is how you start a newsletter for free. So thank you guys for watching. And if you were wondering about the pricing of it, well, here you go. So here we have the launch one, which is going to be $0. Of course, it's free. You can add up to 2,500 subscribers. And over here you have custom websites, custom newsletters, campaigns, unlimited email, up to 3 publications, and recommendations, subscribing tags, audience segmentation, a custom domain, and API as well. So you can add a custom domain for free in Beehive, which is pretty cool. Not a lot of websites offer that. Then you have scale, which is going to be $39 per month, which is billed annually. And here you can add up to 1,000 subscribers. If you want to increase the number of subscribers, of course, the price is going to increase. So let's say if we want 2,500 subscribers, it's going to cost you $59 per month and $129 per month for max. So keep that in mind. And over here, you can see all of the features as well. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.